Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Let's go riding bikes around Celebration, Florida. Come on in, check it out. First thing I want to do is thank Beth and Tim. They gifted me a bike. I'll show you the bike after. I kind of rigged my camera on the bike right now, so I don't want to unwrap all the little contraptions I have holding it on the handlebars, but I figured, you know what, something different for a vlog. Sorry, I'm kind of bending down here a little bit to see the camera. I haven't ridden a bike in a very long time, so why not take you guys for my first trip around? And again, thank you so much for the gift of the bike. Very, very awesome people I got to meet. So it was very cool of Beth and Tim because they had put a post out that they had a bike that they were kind of, I guess Tim had bought a new bike and he had a bike that he was going to donate. He was just giving it away, and he put a post on Facebook, and I said, you know, I love the opportunity to take the bike, you know, if you're looking to donate it, because I walk to work a lot. I walk to Publix all the time. And they came into Publix, they found me, and they said, hey, Matt, man, we'd love for you to have the bike. So Beth and Tim, thank you so very much. And I think we'll go for a ride. I have no idea how this vlog's going to turn out. I'm just going to go cruise around a little bit in Celebration, Florida, and hope you guys enjoy a little ride with me. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. We have epic videos coming up. We're going tomorrow. Epic Universe. Can't wait to share those. But in the meantime, let's go for a ride. All right, guys. I'll show you the bike after. It's a little big for me, actually, so I got to probably do some seat adjusting, but yeah, I'm just gonna go cruising. This is Celebration Boulevard, by the way, but they have this nice sidewalk here, all the palms. I'll show you a few clips as we go around. Maybe I'll try to get over on some of the trails too, show you where those come out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. You got to see it first on Medling World, guys. My first wipeout. It's been a while. Unedited wipeout on Medling World. I definitely got to adjust this seat. I got to be a little bit more careful. I'm going to keep rolling. So I do have to bend it to get on because I can't jump up on it because the seat's so big. Wow. Boy, I'm going to have to be careful, guys. I can't get any injuries before I go to work and before I go to Epic. This might be a quick ride, actually. As we cruise down. This should be interesting. Here come some people. Let's hopefully I can navigate around now. Feel like I can. Oh yeah, we got by them all right. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna cruise down a little bit more down the road, and I'll see if I can get on the trails a little bit, just to show you a little bit about how those look if you want to ride on them. I am definitely going easy because I'm going to show you the bike after and see if somebody out there who knows about bikes can show me how to. I can't, it looks like the seat can go lower, but I can't get it to go any lower. Okay, here we go. I got to be careful here because this is wet. And I remember Tim telling me, if you're going to be riding on the trails, be careful because they're wet. Let's see what happens. All right, so far so good here. Like I said, I'm just going to take it easy through here. Sorry if that camera's bouncing a little. This is Jake and I have fished over here before. A little breezy today, so it's beautiful. Check that out. Ah, it's starting to move a little bit. Some nice birds out there. All right, I got to get some practice, that's all. I just got to get a little practice, but like I said, the problem is the bike, the seat. I got to be able to figure out how to lower the seat. It's almost got it kind of like, I'll show you after, it's got almost like this stopper on it with a shock or something, but there's got to be a way I can get it a little bit lower. Just a little bit lower would be helpful. All right, I'm going to cruise here a little bit and let's see where I end up. To the left here, guys, is one of the community pools. Try to go this way a little bit so you can see. There it is. Nobody in it. Morning. This is nice. This is nice and straight here. I can build up a little speed. Here we go. Ah, yeah, that's fun. Like I said, I kind of just rigged this camera up there, so don't mind it. And oh, here comes somebody. Let's see how good I do going by him. I'm getting a little better. I think I'm feeling a little bit better now, but I'm still like right now I can't put my feet on the ground. I have to tilt one way. Let's see what happens here. Morning. Okay, that wasn't too bad. It is, what is it, Tuesday? Yeah, it's Tuesday, probably around noon, so it's not like a ton of people around. Hope you're enjoying a bike ride here through Celebration, Florida. Oh, there's a trail there. No, that's all dirt. I don't want to go on that one. Oh, here we go. Let's see where this one goes, guys. Let's try this one. We'll keep rolling here. So as you can see, the Celebration trail system, you know, you come out, you got sidewalks, you got residential area, then you go back into the woods, as you'll see here. Be careful. There we go. All right. This is definitely wet, but I feel, knock on wood, right? Not slipping yet. A little lake. Sienna over there. Yeah, just let me show you something here, guys. I'll pop off. Yeah, it's gonna lean a little bit. Boom. You can see there. That's Windsor. That's like the retirement area. Off to the right there, that's like a rehabilitation center, and then even more to the right, that's another little village area called Sienna. So all these little cool places. And more boardwalk. I'm walking a bike right now, by the way. Should we pop back on? Go for a... Yeah, we'll do a little bit more. We'll do a little bit more of a run here. Maybe I'll get back out on the sidewalk and take the sidewalk back over by where the golf course is. That might be a nice little ride. All right, let me get moving a little bit, and then we'll turn the camera back on. You can see this all lights up at night. You see the little lights there? A few people out walking. Celebration, Florida. Fun, fun, fun. So I could go either way. I think I can go to the left. There's another pool. This is Sienna. I like condos and stuff. Let me pop on the sidewalk. I'm still feeling like I need to be on the sidewalk here while I get used to it. I'm getting better though. Getting a little bit better here. Maybe we'll go down the end here. I'll show you where the golf course is. There's the golf course, guys. And you can see sidewalk all the way down. If you keep going down that way, you'll come out. If you watch our vlogs, where those houses are, the one that plays the music, and the one that's decorated throughout the year with all the different decorations, over by the church, straight down that way. Let's go for a little. Oh, here comes this guy. I gotta show you this guy. He rides this thing. I'm just gonna walk the bike for a minute. See if he comes this way. It's got like this sit down bike. Probably can't see him good on a video. He's coming. I don't know if he's gonna come down this way. I don't think he is, or she is. It's like a husband and wife. Oh yeah, you can see there. And yes, there's plenty of gators in there. You can fish here too, as long as you're on this side here. This side of the road, you can fish. The other side, no. And that's the boulevard up there. That's where I just was. I know this is not like the most entertaining vlog of all time, guys, but I just wanted to get out, ride the bike a little bit, show you around. Some of the other parts of Celebration, I usually don't show up this area. So at this light here, if you took a left, you'd head down towards the Publix where I work, Island Village, and if you take a right, you'll go down by the library and the hospital. And then I'm going to take a right here for a minute. We'll ride a little bit more, and then I'll show you the bike. But this boulevard here all the way down, you'd be right on the side of the golf course. I'll turn the camera back on in a minute. One thing I love about this street is the palms. I love how it's lined with all those big palm trees. And oh, it smells good right now. They just cut the grass. It's a golf course. A nice little ride today, testing out this bike. Getting much more comfortable now, guys. I think it's just a matter of the seat. So I can kind of figure that seat out. I'll be doing a little bit better. Because still, you know, like right now, as you saw in the beginning when I fell, I can't really get my feet down to stop myself. So I got to go way to one side or the other. But I do want to show you the bike. Let me get up over here around this little corner. We're by the golf course here. And we'll take a look at the bike. Let's do it. I'm standing on solid ground. But yeah, take a look at the bike, man. It's a nice bike. I'm so very thankful to Beth and Tim for this. I mean, the tires are awesome. The chain, it's in very good condition, but this is the problem with the seat. You see? Let me see if I can lean it here. So it does have this is like a, let me get over here, you can see it a little easier. So this is like a brace. So if you take that, you can loosen, the seat will go up, but I can't get it down past where it is. It's almost like a little shock. So I'm not sure if I take this off, maybe. If I take this off, maybe I can push it down more. Somebody who knows about bikes, or can I just get another seat? Maybe I can just buy another seat for it. because this bike is nice. It's going to be very useful, not just to go back and forth to work, but to cruise around. It's got the little water bottle thing. It's got this. And Tim was so nice. He gave me a lock for it too. Chain and lock. Very thankful, man. Good people in this community. And again, it was just on a post on Facebook, the community giving page, I think is the technical name, Celebration Giving Community. And I just said, hey man, I'd love it if you, there was a few people, I'll tell you, I just said, hey, if you're looking to donate, I'd love to have it. So in the hot sun, maybe I can ride to work and get there a little quicker now that summer's coming. When Roberta's working, we have one vehicle, so when Roberta's working at Epic, I got to walk back and forth to work, so this will come in very handy. So a little bit, as I said, a little different than how we usually vlog. We're not in a theme park or on a cruise ship or eating food, but we took a ride on the bike, and it's warming up actually. This sweatshirt, whew, warm. So guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World and joining me today. Just a quick little ride. I could have kept going and brought you all over, but time to head back and get to business. I have to actually head into Publix to work. Roberta's heading to the airport to pick up May. Roberta's mother's coming in, and tomorrow we're heading to Epic, and we are going to be releasing a lot of vlogs from Epic with the camera inside filming lots of things. Several vlogs coming up. Of course, we're going to start with our immersive adventure in Epic Universe, and we'll go from there. Guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet, and last but not least, see ya!